Hey friends, today we're taking a look at a very special day trip. From Thessaloniki to the Pozar Thermal Springs and then on to the impressive waterfalls of Edessa. Our first stop, Pozar, a natural paradise at the foot of Mount Voras. Here you find the Thermopotamos, the warm river, whose water stays at around 37 degrees Celsius all year long, perfect for relaxing and recharging. The area includes outdoor pools, small natural basins and waterfalls flowing through a lush green gorge. The surroundings are full of rocks, wooden bridges and dense vegetation, a place where you instantly unwind. There's also a large pool that looks more like something from a resort hotel, but personally I prefer the smaller natural pools. And this is exactly where I was lying in the warm water with the waterfall rushing behind me, an incredibly calming feeling. The combination of hot water, fresh air and the constant roar of the falls is simply magical. The thermal springs have been known since ancient times and are still appreciated today for the mineral-rich healing properties, good for circulation, skin, breathing and overall relaxation. And after a long soak, we continued our journey, back into the minibus and off to Edessa. About 40 minutes later we arrived in Edessa, one of the most beautiful towns in northern Greece, famous for its spectacular waterfalls. The largest of them is the Karanos waterfall, which plunges about 70 meters into the depth, an impressive natural spectacle. The waterfalls are located in a natural park with pathways, viewpoints and lots of greenery. One particularly exciting feature, you can walk behind the waterfall along a narrow passage that runs directly along the rock face. That's exactly where I went, on the ledge you can see on the photo. From there you get a fantastic view over the landscape, through the curtain of water across the plains all the way to the horizon. The mix of roaring water, cool mist and that sweeping view is simply unforgettable. The waterfalls were formed after a major earthquake in the 14th century and have changed shape many times over the centuries. Today they're among the most impressive natural sights in Greece. This trip was different from the others I've taken here in Greece, and I really enjoyed the change of pace. If you ever get the chance, I can truly recommend this day trip. You can book it online with a provider whose name rhymes with Get Your Vibe. That's it from me. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like. See you next time. Bye.